Hi, today in front of me Huawei P60 Pro and I'll show you how to set charging limit on this device. So we should first open the settings and then scroll to battery section. Here you will see the more battery settings, oh no, not the more battery settings, but battery health section. Just tap on it, and here we could set our custom maximum charging level. So just let's all activate this option by clicking on the switcher. So just tap here to OK, and now we could set our limit from 70% to 100. So the recommended maximum charging level is from 70 to 90%. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.